रहने क्वालिटी लिकेज प्रुफको ग्यारेन्टी
थाहा नभएको कुरामा पो सोध्ने नि प्लम्बर पाइप्स र फिटिङको कुरामा त आँखा चिम्लेर रोज्ने नि किनकि प्लम्बर पाइप्स र फिटिङ टिकिरहन्छ चलिरहन्छ
They're the premier batters in this side, obviously JJ Smith's his power as well, but you see another change in bowling. Things again just feel a bit scattergun to me. It's going to be Kushal Malla now. And it works, and a roar of delight from Malla. That brings the crowd to life. Where's that come from? Van Lingen down the track, beaten on the outside edge. Asif Sheikh does the rest. And that bowling change, it has worked.
Michael Van Lingen tried to dominate Kushal Malla coming down the track. It was a bit flattered through the air, beat him completely, and the rest of the work done by the keeper Asif Sheikh, who batted well in the first innings, scoring 50-odd runs. Namibia losing a third wicket and the score of 69. Coming down the track, smart glove work by Asif Sheikh to get rid of Van Lingen. It was a bit flatter through the air, no turn whatsoever. It went with the arm straighter. Third wicket down for Namibia at the score of 69. Van Lingen played a good knock of 31 with 4 fours and 2 sixes. 69 for 3.
Namaskar. Miss Nepal, Miss DHI, Sricha Pradhan, wishing you all a happier home.
जम्सबाट बच्न अब पाउनुहोस् 100 ग्रामको लाइफबोय साबुन मात्र रु 45 मा
34 for Frylink with a strike rate of 60.71. Left-hander replacing a left-hander. Kushal Malla with the first ball of his spell, taking a wicket of Michael Van Lingen. Well set, Van Lingen.
Yeah, great piece of glove work as well. Often we just think it's a formality for the keepers to whip those bails off, but he's done well there. Asif Sheikh, and you don't often see Kushal Malla animated. He roared with the legs. The left-hander to the crease. Now it's Frylink. Are Nepal just sensing something, sensing a twist? There was always going to be a twist. So very nervy in the crowd, nervy atmosphere. Mid on up in the circle, so Frylink will get off the mark.
Yes, very smart bowling, the first ball by Kushal Malla, not giving that air, bowling it flatter through the air. Michael Van Lingen trying to dominate Kushal Malla because he's not a front-line spinner. That is why he had to go back to the hut, stumped out by Asif Sheikh. A smart glove work. There's a slip in place for Erasmus.
Well, tension, nervousness. It's going to miss leg. It hasn't turned, it's just skidded on. He thinks it's out. I'm afraid it's not.
Yeah, we could see the whole set of 3 stumps. A bit of a smile by Erasmus. Going to the back foot, it was an arm ball. Missing the leg stump. Easy decision for the umpire.
We have to love the reactions and the passion in the crowd. Malla will try and stay above all of that. Very, very calm, isn't he? You sense there's a lot of cricket yet to be played here. Is it a case of Erasmus versus Nepal here? Does he need to be scoring 60 plus for them to chase this down?
Yeah, it can be the case where Erasmus stays there till the end. Tried to reverse it, a big appeal by the bowler, but umpire unmoved. A wicket taking over comes to an end after 13. Namibia 70 for 3.
तपाईको असली एनर्जी रेड बुल असली नै रोजौं जम्प्सबाट बच्न अब पाउनुहोस् 100 ग्रामको लाइफबोय साबुन मात्र रु 45 मा।
UKFC chicken roll. Up a budget but craving satisfied.
Now another change in the bowling. Karan Casey has been left out by Rohit Patel, bringing himself into the attack. He's taken a wicket already. A left-hander on strike, Yang Freilink.
Change of ends for Powell. Can he find another way through? Oh, what's a beauty. Whatever happens here, we're going to have drama, Paresh, and you have to love it.
Yes, every spectator on their feet, cheering the players, supporting Nepal. Back line now, nicely bowled, slow through the air, just giving that flight and landing on the good length area, Rohit Patel. He mixes his pace, he uses his variation with some. Another good ball, Rohit Patel probing over till now. 3-dot balls. Even though the current rate for Namibia is 5.25, 3 wickets are down.